Hey guys, we have found our room. This is our room here. It's walking in. It's very, very nice. On the 8th deck. Man, very, very spacious bathroom. I do like that the door actually opens up this way, like this, to get in and out. It's not a curtain or anything. Have a hook there, as you can see. Closet. Pretty spacious closet. Here you got your USB outlets and electric. We did get the internet package on this cruise. And there is your cooler. The hair dryer, a little hot water pot. Nice couch area. We have a safe, more room, more drawers there at the bottom. And we have lights here. Have your room phone. Light up action. There's the bed. We will be getting a bed topper for this as well. We've already requested one. It's because it's dual beds and put together. The TV. And let's make our way out to the deck. There's Miss Marlowe out there. This is the deck. We do have some chairs here. Just looking back in from the deck area. All the way back to the hall. And that concludes our road tour.